Ouch.
Soapy pictures.
Genevieve, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
All right, so she's been really excited to do this experiment because we saw somebody else doing it. So we figured, you know what? Let's try it ourselves. So what we're going to do today is we got some Ivory soaps, plain Ivory bar of soap.
Yep.
Okay.
And you have two right now.
Yeah, we have a couple of them for us, and we already unwrapped one of them. And what are we going to do with it, Genevieve?
Put it in the microwave.
We're going to put it in the microwave. We're going to see what happens, okay?
Oh, look, it's small.
Oh, let's find out. Hold on a minute. All right, so I'm going to set up Genevieve's chair, and we're going to get this thing in the microwave. We're going to microwave it for like 90 seconds to 2 minutes. And here, hold on 1 second. All right, so here we are. We got our microwave. We got our soap. So we're going to put it in the microwave, okay? And we are going to, I don't know, how long should we do it for? 2 minutes?
Or 5 minutes.
No, it's too long. We need to do that. So we'll do it for 2 minutes. All right, so let's get Genevieve standing up here.
Yeah.
All
Watch.
right, we're going to watch this thing, okay? This is pretty exciting. Whoa!
It's super good.
Look how cool that is. Oh my goodness. Wow. It smells like so much soap in there.
Oh my god.
All right, so that's only 40 seconds. Holy jeez.
Oh my god.
All right, you think that's enough?
Yeah.
Can we pull it out?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna stop this thing and pull it out. We'll play with it for a minute, okay?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be right back. Oh boy, we made a mess. Mommy's probably gonna be mad at us. All right, so here we go.
It's soft.
We got this thing out here.
Oh my god. It's so...
There's still a bunch in the microwave, but we'll get that out. Now be careful when you go to take this out of the microwave because it will be hot, okay? I don't want to see anybody burn themselves. All right, Genevieve, so here's what I want you to do. It's a little warm still, okay? But I want you to touch it. What does it feel like? Yeah, it's so like soft, it just crumbles right apart. It is so cool. So what's cool is there's something in science called a chemical change or a physical change. And a chemical change, you actually are having a chemical reaction and it changes the substance. But in a physical change, it changes, like ripping up a piece of paper or cutting a piece of wood. It changes it, but it still keeps its original form chemically. This is still the same soap. It's still exactly the same soap as what was in here. Nothing changed chemically. All it did was
still wash your hands with this.
Yep, you could. All it did was expand the molecules when we got it hot. So that is like super cool.
Oh, so soft. I just can't believe it. I just can't believe they did this experiment like the sharers.
Super cool. Just like the sharers?
Yep.
All right, well, maybe we can show it to the sharers. Maybe they'll like it. All right, so what do you think, Genevieve?
It's so soft.
All right, cool. So there you go. There's the microwave soap experiment. Genevieve, what do you want to say to your followers?
I'll say, I love you. I love you.
Well,
My
bye.
unicorns and my little pony.
All right.
And owl dolls.
All right, that's good. All right, say bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.